Hi, Becca. Um, sorry, I'm watching Leslie Nielsen in Dracula. No, I don't usually. If Spirit says it's okay for me to say, hey, you know, I've had a migraine for the past 3 days. Something is going to happen somewhere, and then the typhoon, tornado, whatever thing in across the ocean, tsunami thing, and then the earthquake, and then another tsunami someplace else, if I'm not mistaken. I don't watch the news, in case you didn't know. And yeah, no, just so to answer your question, no, I didn't have a headache today. And sometimes I want to, and sometimes I don't. But if Spirit tells me I have to, make a post and say, be careful when you go outside today. If you live in such a, I don't know, Chicago or whatever, be careful of a hailstorm. Don't forget to take your your titanium umbrella, something. I don't know. Then I have to. Yeah. It's not the point of people believing me or not. I don't give a shit. Look at all those people who said, "Oh, this was supposed to happen in 1999. All the computers are going to go dead in 2023." Oh, the what is it called? The things that fell out of the sky is coming. We got to beware. It's going to mess up 3 different states. I don't have a problem being wrong. I have a problem with putting shit out there that people don't need to know because they're already so afraid of so many things already. That's what I don't like doing. So, no, I don't think. Oh, wait, let me recant that. I believe that some things, spiritual awakenings, being woke, whatever you want to call it, it's nothing is new under the sun. Um, I believe it will change a lot of people's perspectives in the guise of, the usual. What do we when we change something we think about or do? What usually happens first? We get sick. Humans get sick. And then they call it this. I mean, look at COVID and all. I had this one sister. You got to take the shot. You got to take the shot. You got to take the shot. God didn't tell me to take the shot. If God told you to take the shot, then that's on you. I'm not telling you what to do like you're telling me what to do. And yeah, I understand she was trying to be protective, blah, 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 blah. Faith without works is dead, right? And now look at where we are. Oh, it was just a glorified cold. I think that's what one news reporter said on the Talk Tick CBS thing. So, no, I don't often put, things like that out there. Um, unless, Spirit says, go make this message. So, there you go. No, I don't think that there's anything to be afraid of. What good is that going to do? Fear is going to attract whatever you fear. So, no, I'm not afraid. Haven't really been afraid since that tornado last year. I think you were with me the whole 6.5 hours on YouTube. Thank you for that. My YouTube family had my back, helped me down. So, no, I'm not afraid. And if I ever said anything to anybody, I'm just telling you whatever Spirit has to say. So I'm not. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about getting information out without making a huge to do about it, because none of us are going to get out alive anyway. If it's the solar eclipse, if it's the earthquake, if it's the tornado, if it's the thing that sucks you into the ground, whatever that is, I don't know, but you know what I'm trying to say. So live your best life, huh? Live your best life. Live honestly, truthfully, and with as much joy and happiness as you can shove in the middle. Yeah, that. That. Okay? So, I mean, we're sitting here, people are sitting here being afraid. Now, I understand. So, my place on Ryan told me if people are going to Texas, I forgot for what reason. I don't know. It doesn't pertain to me, so I really don't remember. If it does, I try to write it down and then I try to remember. because the thing is there and something's there, and a whole bunch of people are going to be flocking there, so they're going to have martial law. I think that's what it's called, to protect the people from other people, and blah 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 blah. It's still going to happen. Whatever's going to happen is going to happen. Okay, I didn't write that into my script this lifetime, so I'm I don't have any fear of that. And even if I did write it into the plan this lifetime, I don't have any fear of that. If it's my time to die, it's my time to die. Let's go. See you on the other side. Let's go to sleep. So I how could I say this? I there's no sense in saying don't be afraid, because then you'll just be afraid. So try to make yourself as comfortable as possible, knowing that just because some things were meant to happen to some doesn't mean it's meant to happen to you. Something is going to happen. Is it going to wipe out 5 million people? No. Is it going to change your perception of how you see black and white and red and green and purple and blue? Yes. Because energy is energy. And energy is not stoppable. Energy is unstoppable. So you're going to learn whatever lesson you learn from it without the fear, angst, animosity, frustration. What should I do? Should blah, 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 blah. And, I heard, I think I saw you talking about in one of your videos, no offense intended, about the food, the water. It's good to have that just to be safe. I mean, anything could happen any moment of the day. Helium, aluminum, whatever balloon can go hit the telephone wires, and poof, there goes your service. So it's not just because the zombies are coming. Zombies aren't coming. And, the end of the world and whatever. It's good to be safe and have, 7 gallon of water per person per day. Or is it 2 gallons? I forgot how many gallons we're supposed to have per person per day. Anyway, it's always good to have stuff on hand. Whether you're a homesteader, whether you're a doomsday prepper, whatever. It don't matter. Title's a title. Good to have extras. I'm not killing myself to have, okay, I have about 9 months worth of food, but that's because now that I live in a place that snows, I want to make sure me and my babies got something to eat. Even if it is 15 different types of Bush's baked beans. Did you know? I didn't know that until a few months ago myself. Good thing, huh? Hey, we can always eat beans and rice, Anyway, that's how I grew up. So I would like to encourage you not to be afraid because other people are afraid. You have glorious gifts. They don't have them. So they should technically be afraid of you, because you've got some magnificent gifts. You have gifts I wish I had. Maybe next lifetime. Maybe. You never know, huh? So just be at peace and just accept whatever comes. Because what happens when you get upset in your stomach, and you got a headache, and then you're bumping into walls because you didn't see this there, and you moved that yesterday, and you didn't see that, and you're tripping over the new couch because you just rearranged the furniture last night. And when we could just be at peace and look out the window, see what's happening, if you need to, go to the basement or whatever. I don't know. But no, I'm not going to be doing anything different. Probably be a good time to have a ritual, though. That would be really cool. I'll probably just do that. Yeah, why not? That's going to be some good energy, that's for sure. No, not negative energy. And with the retrogrades, no. What I say goes. When things don't work, I stop. I pick up my cell phone and I watch Bugs Bunny, or blue whales, or dolphins, or the sharks, or this thing on snakes, or something to pass the time until it's okay. I can do it now, and you get up and do it now. Precaution. Yeah. safety, security, protecting